Let's try solving this question now. And again, we have 5 sentences given to us. 4 of these can be arranged to form a coherent paragraph. And the one that does not fit into the sequence is the odd sentence and the right answer. So statement 1 says, over the past fortnight, one of its finest champions. So we don't know what is its here. And therefore, one cannot be the opening sentence. Right? Wimbledon's greatest illusion is the sense of timelessness it evokes. So here we have Wimbledon's, and this pronoun its refers most likely to Wimbledon. At 35 years and for 342 days, Roger Federer became the oldest man to win the singles title in the Open era. So again, this cannot be the opening sentence. Why? Because we must speak about what exactly is the event. Wimbledon is the event here, and in Wimbledon we have the singles title. So before we talk about 3, we must talk about 2, because 2 is a better opening sentence of the paragraph. Once he refers to whom? Roger Federer. So again, this cannot be the opening sentence. Given that his method, so again we have his method referring to Roger Federer. So we definitely know that 4 and 5 will come after 3. That means in the sequence, if I have to place, I will talk 3, 4, 5 like this, and basically 2 is 2 can be the opening sentence, right? So let's have a look now, because 2, 3, 4, 5 and over the past fortnight, one of its finest champions. So even 1 looks like a good way of arranging the sentence. But let's hold on for a while and see what can be the opening sentence. So from the given sequence, we feel that 2 is likely to be the opening sentence. Wimbledon's greatest illusion is the sense of timelessness it evokes, and its finest champions is basically referring to the Wimbledon's champion, and therefore 2-1 is basically a pair. Wimbledon's greatest illusion is the sense of timelessness it evokes. Over the past fortnight, one of Wimbledon's finest champions managed to pull off a similar impression. And what similar impression? The timelessness. And therefore, this finest champion is none other than Roger Federer. So we have 3 after that. Wimbledon's greatest illusion is the sense of timelessness. Over the past fortnight, one of its finest champions managed to pull off a similar impression. At 35 years and 342 days, Roger Federer became the oldest man to win the singles title. Right? And then it says, once he had survived the opening week. Now the opening week is basically a randomness, because we are not describing the tournament and how it unfolded, and that's why 4th is not the one that fits into the sequence. In fact, we are broadly speaking about Wimbledon, and then we gradually move to Roger Federer. It is given that his method isn't reliant on explosive athleticism or muscular ball striking, both vulnerable to decay. There is cause to believe that Federer will continue to enchant for a while longer. Now, why this? Because now it says here, right, that at 35, 342 days, Roger Federer became the oldest man. A full 14 years after he first claimed. So he is the oldest man, and almost 14 years he has been into it, and he might enchant it for a little while longer. So fees of the 5th statement is better. 2, 1, 3, 5 is the coherent paragraph. 4th one is the odd one out, because it speaks about the tournament specifically, while the focus of the passage is not about the tournament. It's basically about Wimbledon and Roger Federer and how he has basically shown the timelessness about the tournament itself, right? So 4th is the odd one out.